Hello, my friends. Welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 28th of March 2023. So recently, we know that revenue got a lot of issue. Okay, with their directors. There are some MACC arrests and revenue was dropping like a stone. Their stock value dropping like a stone, and also they also started to make losses, right? So sometimes this type of drop, right, is a opportunity, okay, for long-term investor who look for, to buy company at a low price. So we want to take a look at revenue, see whether there's opportunity or not. I'm not saying this one must be an opportunity, but it's a potential, right? Because that revenue, their business is quite established, so there is a potential that they can, if they can survive this drop, right, or this crisis, right, there could be something to gain. Okay, so let's before we start, of course, we want to check out the disclaimer first. Okay, let's check out the disclaimer. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, so let's take a quick look at revenue. Okay, so we want to know what it does, right? Okay, so it's actually using this RevPay, okay, payment gateway. Okay, RevPay online transaction, RevPay retail transaction. So it actually, okay, okay, it can take a payment, okay, transaction for Visa, Master, FPX, many Boost, e-wallet, Boost, Grab, Touch and Go, Shopee, Taobao, do it now. So uh, so it's serving actually so quite a few customer. Okay, Alibaba, Alipay, M Bank Group, Bank Muamalat, right? Bank Rakyat, BSN, Maybank, JCB, Hong Leong, First Data, Diners Club, My Debit Nets, OCBC, PAX, Public Bank, RSB, Taobao, Union Pay, UOB. Okay, so their business is quite established. Their business is quite established. So what else they do? DSX, Digital Service Exchange, is a fintech platform provide more effective solution to financial institution. This is the service for enterprise one. Okay, this okay, got what financial AI passport, KYC, RBA, tokenization, digital service exchange lah. Okay, so they also have this B2C, business to consumer ecosystem. Okay, which is e-commerce. E-commerce business is a e-commerce one. Okay, support the e-commerce system, or like the buy more. Okay, all in one bill payment, mobile as a recharge solution. Okay, so basically they got this a payment gateway. Okay, they got this digital service system exchange. Okay, for a corporate customer, and also B2C. Okay, which is e-commerce. Okay, so let's see what is the theme. Okay, about revenue first. Revenue. So okay.
as a group of companies focusing on delivering a complete and customizable payment solution that can assist and support in growing your business. We have more than 15 years of experience in the field and have become experts at providing fully integrated payment platforms for any business. We have brought together diverse technologies and services, which can be tailored to meet the changing business requirements.
Okay, so let me see. Okay, these are some of their services. Okay, some of their services.
Revenue Group has displayed steady growth in the financial industry and innovating solutions such as EMV Smart Card Technology, Terminal Management System, Loyalty System, Consumer Behavioral Management System, Web-Based Payment System, Payment Transaction Management System.
Okay, so let's check out the team. So, okay, Executive Chairman, Noor Azam bin Abdul Jalil, Executive Director Leong Seng Wui, Executive Director Tite Chi Ho, Independent Non-Executive Asman Hashim, Independent Non-Executive Director Chandra Sakaran, Independent Non-Executive Director Dato Tan Nget Ngo. These are all non-executive. Okay, non-executive, not so. They're not running the company. Okay, this is the one. CEO. Leong Ka Chen. Okay, so this is a group CEO who manage the day-by-day company operation. CFO Guan Hong. Okay, and Chief Compliance Officer Jason Teo Keng Sui. Okay, of course they need this because they are doing payment system. So they need someone that control the compliance. Managing Director of Revenue SafeNet Lai Wei Kiat, Managing Director of One Pay Sdn Bhd Kek Ye Tong, Managing Director of Revenue Secure Ho E Lok, Managing Director of Buy More Services Gan Suan Kiat, Managing Director of AnyPay Sdn Bhd Lau Chun Ming, CEO of Revenue Harvest Lu Tak Kyong, Chief Operation Officer COO for Revenue Harvest Jia Ji Chun, and IT Senior Manager Wong Pek Jin. Okay, so this is the whole team. Of course, we are missing two which is this one, right? Okay, which is this one. Okay, Revenue Group confirmed arrest of two suspended director by MACC over alleged false claim. Okay, so these are the brother, right? The brother, okay, two directors of Revenue Group, which is Brian Sik Chow and younger brother Dino Sik Fang. Okay, so what are the claim is that they so the two brothers are said to be suspected of conspiring with a woman in her 30s who is a director of another firm. The duo alleged conspired to make 16 payments to the woman who had been making false claims since 2020. The news report quoted sources say means okay, these the directors these two directors has been making payment to this woman okay, which is outside the company okay, which is not inside the company, director of another company 16 payment okay. So this is a problem, but now the latest one, they are charging them for disposing car. So how the court case, okay, are developed, okay, we have to wait and see. Okay, for now, of course, we don't expect the stock to go anywhere, but let's check out how is the company performance first. Okay, let's see. Let's check out the return and equity. Okay, negative 8.29, not good. PE negative 10.51, so not good. Earning per share also minus 2.5, also no good. Let's say the price to book value already dropped below one. Okay, so the stock is cheap now. market cap 130 million. Okay, let's look at the any dividends. Okay, no dividend. Okay, annual P&L. Okay, annually, let's see, 2018 20 million profit, 3.6 million 20 million revenue, 3.6 million profit. 2019 59 million revenue, 8.7 million profit. 2020, okay, 2020 was the this one pandemic year of course good for them okay, these digital services make 78 million and 7.5 million revenue net profit. Then this 2021 87 million and 11 million uh 11 million profit. And 2022, okay, 97 million and 13 million uh profit okay, hold on okay. Before that, we want to take a quick look at the at the uh debt okay, total cash 64 million, total debt 44 million. Debt to cash is 0.679, debt to equity is 0.299. So this company, okay, no, the debt problem, no serious debt problem okay, the debt is healthy. So okay, let's look at the annual report. And of course, just now we talked about 2022 is a peak, right? 13 million profit, 97 million revenue. And 2023 year, 2023 let's check out the 2023 quarterly. Okay, two quarterly has gone by okay, both also making losses 3.3 million and making 20 million business for the this first quarter okay, and making losses 3.3 million. Oh, this quarter has quite bad okay, this second quarter quite bad, 4.9 million so some of their services okay got interruption or something. Okay, something is very wrong here. Okay, you see they are consistent okay, making 10 10 to 20 million over 10 to 20 million every quarter so this quarter actually makes 4 million okay, so they some interruption to their services or income okay, this is very serious, so we have to just take note on this one first. Okay, take note on this one. And let's see whether the third and the fourth quarter it can go back to 18 to 10 to 20 million, over 10 to 20 million this is the normal okay, at least over 10 to 20 over million that is their normal revenue okay, so they are still in trouble okay, for this two quarter. Okay, for this suddenly okay, so their business is consistent you see annually consistent until this year suddenly okay, suddenly in trouble, so probably they're losing a lot of business this year. Okay, so this one just watch first. I'm not saying that this one can go all in, can go buy or anything. Okay, so we just watch first is for now. Okay, we know that they still have this problem they still have this problem with their uh 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 uh, with the ex director okay. Okay, a lot of okay, a lot of share chin chen okay. Never mind, let's take a look at the chart, see what the chart show us okay. So you see revenue has dropped to a price that is lowest. Okay, it never dropped this low before okay, the lowest during the opening okay, during the lowest price was on 2018 okay, 2018 okay. Okay, so 2018 it started on 2018. Okay, so the latest price was lowest price was 29 cent okay, so now it's really dropped to 26 cents, so it's very cheap. Okay, so if it got potential to go up there could be a big a very big margin, a very big window, okay. But how we want to treat this revenue, okay. So we got a downtrend channel over here, okay, downtrend channel over here. So it has been going down all the time, okay. So I'm not saying that this one can all like AX already go up, I'm not saying wow like AX, you know, or okay, drop go up to 100%, okay. I'm not saying that, okay. If they can resolve all these issue, okay, all these internal issue, okay, and get back some business, okay, and return business to normal, right, okay, means resume all their services, okay, it might have a chance to go up lah, okay. Might have a chance to go up lah, okay. So you see, it has a peak price of two ringgit 37 cent, okay. So the big resistance, I can see, okay, the big resistance area is here, okay, here 70 cent and here, okay, 70 cent and 98 cent, okay. Okay, 73 cent, 98 cent. Now it dropped to 26 cent. Okay, I want to just show you, just in case this company managed to recover. Okay, so it just goes back to the resistance over here, right? To 73 cent. We are talking about 180%. If it goes back to 98 cent, it will be 281%. Okay, so that is a potential, if it can resolve the problem. Okay, so what we want to see is this one. So now it's on the downtrend. Okay, it's on the downtrend, very strong downtrend. I'm not saying this one can buy. Okay, we are just watching this for long term. Okay, if it one day, okay, we start to make double bottom, okay, make head and shoulder, okay, and start to break up from this channel, okay, start to break up from this channel, okay, and we see this red color momentum come back, okay, RSI go through 50, okay. So there could be a potential that this company might have resolved their problem, and they are potentially have a recovery and potential for a big margin, big rebound, big margin of rebound. I'm not saying it's going to rebound to 2 ringgit, but any rebound from this bottom, right, will be quite a big margin, okay, will be quite a big margin to play that possible big margin, big window, okay. But still, we have to wait for, whether they want to resolve the court case first, okay, see what are the outcome. Second, okay, they need to pump in, okay, for me they need to pump in. This one need to go back to normal, okay, it means 20, they need to make back 20,000, okay, 20 million, okay, like this one, 18, 27, 22, somewhere matching this one, okay. So if they can pump up their revenue back to this 20 million area, then I think the potential long term we are looking at a possible of a big gain, big return, but this is very high risk, okay. But at least this is not, I mean, this is not doing fake account, all those things, I mean, at least not that serious, but you still have to wait and see. This you just put in your list and see how low it go, okay, whether they can resolve all these issues for long term, okay, potential, see long term got any hope or not, okay. So that's it for revenue. I'll talk to you again later, okay. So wait and see only, okay. I'm not saying that this one will recover anything, but wait and see. Bye bye.